I'm joined today by Sean Damaris with the Ames Convention and Visitors Bureau, a sponsor, a longtime sponsor of the Iowa Games, and they also help with our volunteer recruitment for the Summer Iowa Games in Ames in July. Thanks for joining us today, Sean.
You're welcome.
Why does the Ames Convention and Visitors Bureau feel it is important to help the Iowa Games in their volunteer recruitment?
Well, Corey, Iowa Games is a great event for our community. It's been here since 1987, and with the many aspects of the games, it would be pretty hard for your staff to kind of pull off all the 50-some sports that you host in our community. So we feel it's important to help with the volunteer recruitment for, it gets the community involved as they see a lot of the families, spectators, participants that come in. There's quite a process to pull off the event. Each sport has its own components of volunteer needs, so we kind of work with you on making sure that those events are a success, so that way people have a great time while they're in our community.
Okay. Approximately how many volunteers does the Ames CVB get for the Iowa Games each summer?
We focus a lot on the general volunteers that help the event for each of the sports. And when I say general, it could be helping with scorekeeping, timing. If you're working on one of the races, helping direct people. We have a group of people that check in all the athletes throughout the weekend. So we probably manage only about a portion of the volunteers for the Iowa Games, probably around the 500 to 600 amount over the 3 weekends, where I know the Iowa Games uses quite a bit more volunteer support for some of the technical stuff.
Yeah.
When you look at your sports commissioners and everything that goes in that.
Yeah. Overall, I mean, we have upwards of 3,000 volunteers, but you guys are a big part of getting us volunteers and getting those general volunteers for all of our venues and sports. So tell us a little bit about how people can volunteer or sign up to volunteer.
There's a couple ways. We'll work with the staff here on creating a volunteer application, which will be available either online at visitames.com or at the iowagames.org website. We kind of link each other's websites back and forth, but www.visitames.com will have the link up starting June 1st to be able to sign up for any of the sports that need volunteers. The other way is to call our office at 515-232-4032.
All right. Well, thanks for joining me today, and thank you for your continued support of the Iowa Games.
Yep. Thanks, Corey.
Thank you.